What's up, eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. If you're on a budget, but you still want to deck out your computer case with effective, colorful fans, this might be the video for you. In this segment, we're taking a look at the Vicabo case fans. I've got 3 on the table right here. You can buy 1, you can buy 3, you can buy 6. They're all 120 millimeter LED fans, okay? For giving you guys a nice, clean look. I chose 3. Again, you can buy 1, 3, or 6. Taking a closer look here at the build, you can see you've got 9 fan blades on a cool monocolor fan. Okay, I've got the blue ones here, as you can see, but depending on stock, you might be able to get green, red, or white. Inside each fan, there are 33 LEDs. Okay, you can see them along the perimeter of the fan in here. Let's see if we can get the correct angle there. 33 LEDs along that inner perimeter of the fan. Okay, the blades boast a revised curved design, helping to improve the airflow and air pressure. This, of course, translates to lower temperature for your machine and therefore better performance. Each fan has anti-vibration rubber pads on the corners. Okay, this is going to minimize unnecessary force and sounds, just adding to your overall user experience. The sealed and the secured fan bearing prevents dust and potentially lubricating oil leakage, which is going to be great for the lifespan of the fan. Let me get them plugged in and take them for a test drive. What I'm going to do is just plug them in right here and get them powered up in my computadora. Okay, and we're off. Look at that. So here we go. We can see the fans operating in all of their glory. For flexibility, Vicabo gives you a 3-pin connector and a Molex 4-pin connector built in to connect either with your motherboard or power supply. We get speeds up to 1100 RPM, airflow up to 53 CFM, and noise as low as 16 dBA. That's super quiet. In fact, that is quieter than a whisper. But it's important to see how these fans run in a normal environment rather than in a lab. So we are going to run an actual airflow test and noise test. Okay, these Vicabo fans, really just a perfect choice for all users who want competitive airflow, air pressure. They want to protect their internal hardware, and they also want that monocolor fan with a ton of lighting effects as well. Definitely going to give you the enhanced gaming and entertainment atmosphere that you all want. And that's all, folks. The Vicabo case fans, 1, 3, or 6 pack. For current prices, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.